Good evening, Mom Champs. Today, I'm excited to share my 10 highlighted activities from our Jdvp sessions. These hands-on tasks build my ICT skills in networking, hardware, and server management. Let's dive in. We started by disassembling a system unit, removing the CPU, RAM, motherboard, and other peripherals, then reassembling everything step by step. This taught me the importance of patience and organization. One loose cable could crash the whole system. It boosted my confidence in troubleshooting hardware issues. So the materials that we needed in crimping RJ45, at first is crimping tool, and second we need a Ethernet cable and RJ45, any kind of RJ45. So this one is I used pass-through. So using pass-through RJ45 connectors, we crimp Ethernet cables following the T568B standard for straight-through connections. So my first perfect crimp felt like solving a puzzle. It emphasized precision in networking, where bad cables mean no connections. So this one is so very good. So after crimping RJ45 pass-through cable, we installed an operating system from a bootable flash drive. So we just need a flash drive here with an ISO file inside, of course. Partitioning the drive, formatting, and setting up user accounts. Seeing the system come alive from a blank drive was thrilling. It reminded me how foundational operating system knowledge is for any IT career. So after installing operating system, we installed apps like browser, antivirus, and productivity tools, ensuring compatibility and optimal settings. So after installing OS and application, we configure a router via its website interface, setting IP address, DHCP, SSID, and security like WPA2. Configuring from scratch showed the routers as network gatekeepers. So after configuring a router, we do the folder sharing. On a Windows network, we enable folder sharing with permissions, accessing it from another PC via SMB. It was eye-opening how sharing simplifies collaboration, but it also stressed the need for strong permissions to avoid security risk. So at this moment, for the first time that I do the folder sharing, it was hard because I can't collaborate or I can't connect it to the client. So I'm struggling at first, but so far so good, and I'm so proud of myself because I did it. So after folder sharing, we do the printer sharing. Same as folder sharing, we shared a flash drive printer over the network, adding it as a shared device, installing drivers on client machines. This made remote printing seamless, reinforcing how sharing peripherals save resources in a lab or coffee setup. So after the printer sharing, I did next is the real-time desktop sharing, which is the three of those is exactly connected. Using tools like TeamViewer or Windows Remote Desktop, which is I use as the Windows Remote Desktop. We shared screens for live collaboration and control. It transformed group work, fixing issues remotely felt powerful. like having a virtual IT support team. And that is the real-time desktop sharing. And next, we set up a Server 2008 R2 with Windows 10 Pro client. We configure Active Directory rules like file server and connected to Windows 10 Pro client for domain joining. Managing a server client setup was challenging but rewarding. It gave me real-world admin skills I use in future ICT spreadsheets. So after the Server 2008 R2, we do the backup. Finally, we created full system backups using Windows Backup, scheduling automated tasks to external drivers or networks. After seeing data recovery in action, I know prioritize backups. It's the ultimate on the button for IT disasters. And this Jdvp journey is the best memory for me because I learned a lot in the CSS skills, and also I met a lot of friends and new classmates over on the Uptown, SM, and CTI Crossroad. And also thanks to Sir Jamin and Ma'am Giselle because they always encourage us to make better for ourselves. And that is my 10 highlighted activities. Thank you.